Okay, this is the first step. Just log in first, open your Chrome browser. Now your Chrome browser is open. Type in the college portal's website, which is divinelovecollege.org. Yes, ensure it is divinelovecollege.org, not divinelovecollege.com. Sorry for the noise at the background. We have people around. So now you come to Canvas LMS. No, not there, not family, not my class. Where you are supposed to log into is Canvas Learning Platform. When you are done, you click there. It will now give you the login platform. Remember, this is for someone else, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will use the login detail I used for the one I used through doing the one I used the phone in creating, which is 2024-0041 at dlc.com. So when you have that, you put in the password also. With the password, you log in. Now this is the dashboard showing the course content of all the subjects offered by this student. So with this, you can now start up. You pick the subject you want to actually check the holiday assignments. So let's say the first, we'll look at business studies. Now you can see here for the business studies, we have the scheme of work for the term published, second term. This is the note for second term also published, of which the students are supposed to take down. Yes, and then lastly there you see the holiday assignments. So it depends on other subjects. You may see scheme of work, the notes, and this is where you take the quiz, because my assignment, the business studies assignment, is basically on a quiz setup. So you can pick another subject randomly. Agree, this assignment was given in class. There are other subjects you can see, you get the assignments, and then you take them, you write them down. So thank you very much for listening to these tutorials. If you have any question, don't hesitate to call or you chat Mr. Isaac Ogbaji. Lead you through. Thank you very much. God bless you.